Can you imagine 100 videos on this channel? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Known Afam Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm excited, I'm super excited because this is my 100th video on this channel. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 100 video. It's amazing. It's been great. It's been a very long journey. Yes, it's been an amazing journey so far. A very long journey. It's not been easy, but with you guys here, everything has been easy for me. Okay, I'm so grateful to my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking them. Okay, I'm so blessed to have you guys on this platform. Thank you for encouraging me to do more. Okay, Chukwu okike gozie unu niile no daalụ rinne nunu emekekwen daalụ. Thank you very much. All right, okay, so at this level, don't stop watching my uploads, don't stop sharing, and don't stop liking them. Okay, keep helping me promote my videos. Thank you very much. So in today's video, you're going to see a part of me you never knew existed. Yes. So today's topic is going to be on polyglot. Okay. Polyglot. I know what you just thought about. Polyglot. How fun it is to be a polyglot. A very interesting something. Yes. I'm going to count numbers 1 to 10 in 5 different languages. My native language, and of course 4 foreign languages. So I'm going to do this in English, French, a Ghanaian language, Chinese, and of course my Igbo language. All right? Okay, let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's for English. So let's move to the next one, called Ga, a Ghanaian language. Ekome, Enyo, Ete, Edre, Enumo, Ekba, Bawo, Banyo, Nehu, Numa. Ekome, Enyo, Ete, Edre, Enumo, Ekba, Bawo, Banyo, Nehu, Numa. Ekome, Enyo, Ete, Edre, Enumo, Ekba, Bawo, Banyo, Nehu, Numa. That's 10. The Ghanaian language, Ga. That's my second native language. That story is for another day. Okay? Spoken by, that's the Gans. Yes, in Accra, capital of Ghana. So let's do the French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? That's for the French for you. Whew, very interesting stuff, huh? The next one is Chinese. That's the Mandarin, okay? 三四五六七八九十。Oh God. Let's do it again. 一二三四五六七八九十。Yes, 1 to 10. I remember we rhymed with these numbers in our class. Yes, in our Chinese class. There's our Mandarin class. 一二三四五六七八，二二三四五六七八。That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8。一二三四五六七八，二二三四五六七八。It's very interesting, huh? What did you say about saving the best for last? That's just what I did. So let's do this in Igbo language. Owu, owu, or ofu. Owu or ofu, depending on your dialect. My dialect, we speak owu, owu, Igbo, ito, eno, ise, ishi, isa, isato, iteghete, iteghete, ili, owu, ibuo, ito, eno, ise, ishi, isa, isato, iteghete, ili. That's it. It's fun, right? Yes, there's something about being a polyglot. You enjoy it. It helps you to communicate faster, especially with people you've not met before, foreigners you don't know anything about. Yes, at least it helps you. All right? So keep on learning and don't stop learning. It will help you, okay? I'm going to call you no gozo. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so when next I make a new upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye!